Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. So as you can see here, he also has the same problem. He can't verify his account with persona. Now, the solution for this is you need to simply create a new account and then write to LinkedIn support and explain what is happening, everything that is happening. And they will send you a link that you could add all the necessary information and you can upload your ID. After that, they will restore your account. Now, you have to use a second email to create a new account. And that's the only thing that fixed this issue. And that's basically it.